I'm sure Chijiokie doesn't think I'm making his mushroom and barley soup anymore. It's January, probably January the 16th, but you can see I'm well up getting ready, preparing my mushroom and barley soup. It's a little dark there, how come? Let's see. There you go. Now we can see it looking. Look at that. First of all, with the chicken, it's sauteed for 2 hours. Yep. So I just cooked it for 1 hour. I seasoned it up for 2 hours. And now I'm going to add some more spices to it and let it sit for another 6 hours. Ooh, Chijiokie, haha. Now, after so many hours, I have now decided to add the potatoes. And then it will be followed up with the mushrooms. Finally with the carrots. Okay, I've just added the mushrooms. And the next thing will be the carrots. So I'm just going to peel it. That'll be the last one. Okay, so put some tomato paste this time. Because I had some tomatoes and I have tomato paste, so I put it. Why not? Make good use of everything. But everything else is all good. And now I have added the carrots. So this is the final one. Now it'll cook for 30 minutes and then we are good to go. Now there you have it, my mushroom and barley soup with chickpeas, potatoes, carrots. Yes. Yeah, I will share it with you. It's actually Chijiokie is actually mushroom and barley soup. But I didn't put any broccoli in here and I just used some tomato. Well, it's whole tomatoes from a can, but it's okay. It's just the same. And, you know, I'm not going to always just share it with everyone. People think there's my portion ready to go. I'm going to say, you know me, I have to go back for more. Okay. So this is my second serving. And the pot is empty. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's all empty now. No more. Look. Empty. Yep. I gotta make some more again. Just one day and it's gone, and now I have to get another one.